Hey, what's going on, guys? Working on the old 69 today. Figured I'd take you along for the journey a little bit here. I've had this truck for I guess a couple months now. It kind of sat around outside there for a little while, and then I insulated my garage here and I decided it was a perfect time to start working on it. Just pulled the engine out of her a couple weeks ago, I'd say, and just been puttering on it since then. A little bit about the truck. It's a 1969 GMC C35. Big dually. Got a small block 350 in it and SM 465 with the granny gear. It's got a flat deck. It is a dump bed too. This tilts, hydraulic tilt. Once it gets warmer, I'm gonna start working on this flat deck here a little bit. Throw some sheet on it, build a nice head rack for it. But that's in the later stages. Pretty sweet little truck. From what before I started working on it, I was just burning it around the yard a little bit. Needs a lot of work until I get her going again, but it's a fun little project. Here's the motor for it here. She's torn apart. It was ugly when I pulled it out. It was nasty. Still nothing pretty, but getting there. It'll be a lot nicer once it's done. I think today all I'm going to do is clean up the old harmonic balancer here. Not even going to worry about getting a new one. Just going to clean this up. Probably slap some paint on it and throw her back on there. Call her a day. This is going to be low budget, this thing. Low budget. Spend the least that I can on it with making it the nicest that I can. You're in for a treat on this one. Just a little disclaimer here, guys. I am by no means a mechanic here. This is just a project for me. This is just fun, little hobby. If you see me doing anything, either the hard way I'm doing it, or if you know a different way, whatever, let me know, because I could really use the advice here. To clean this thing, I think I have this little toothbrush, little wire brush here. I think I'm just going to scrub it with this and then spray it with some cleaner and wipe it down. I have an El Cheapo little parts washer there, but I'm scared it's going to deteriorate the rubber in this thing. So I'm just going to stick with this, give her a scrape down and quick spray, and off to the races. I'm gonna clean up this pulley, I guess, too, while I'm at it. I'm gonna throw it in the parts washer though. It's a little easier. It's pretty nasty, you can see. Just a quick little tip here, guys, no big deal, but any mating surfaces or anything, make sure you're taping it off before you paint it. You don't want paint in between the shaft and inside the collar here or anything, or in the keyway, or just make sure you tape it off, or do like I did here and shove some towels right in there. That works. Ready to paint. So I got the balancer all cleaned up, all painted up. Looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than it did anyways, for cheap. It's a cheap way to make old parts look a lot better. I'm gonna install it now right on the motor. This is all cleaned up, all ready to go. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to put a little bit of Never Seas right in the middle here, all the way around there, and then a little bit of motor oil right around the outside, right on here, right where it seals onto that, the gasket here, this main seal here, right where it seals up here. I'm going to put a little bit of motor oil right on the outside, and then hopefully we should be styling. Just finished installing the balancer and the pulley on there. Got her all torqued down, looking good. It's a cheap fix for old and nasty looking parts. Just hit them with some spray paint, they look a lot better. Might not look so good to you guys, but from what it was before, big difference. Next up is probably cleaning up this block a little better, and probably painting that up next. Tape everything off, put the valve covers on, and clean that and paint that up next. That's it for today though, I think. So stay tuned for more if you want.